Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken gravy. This sauce is so awesome that can be used to eat anything. Kindly like my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this gorgeous dish. So I have some clean chicken here, and I'll be adding some paprika, a bit of garlic powder, ginger powder. I'll put all the measurements in the description box. Some salt, some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to stir that up until every single part of the chicken is combined, and then we're going to marinate it in the refrigerator for about 6 to 24 hours. If you're cooking it that same day, 2 hours will do in the refrigerator. So you cover that up and marinate. Now it's time to make our slurry. So I have some soy sauce, oyster sauce. I'll be adding some sugar, a bit of cornstarch, and then some water. So all the measurements are in the description box. So give that a good stir, and now I'll be adding some sesame oil, which is very good for this. That's what gives it the nutty, burnt flavor. So after about 24 hours, I'm going to add some cornstarch here, and then I'm going to stir that. This allows the whole seasoning to latch onto the chicken and gives it that very gorgeous dish when you see it outside. So I have a bit of oil here, and I just added some white pepper. Now I'm going to be frying my chicken. So yeah, until it's brown on all sides, just like that. So you have to flip it, so ensure that all sides are brown, and then you take it out. So you repeat that step for all your chicken. Now I'm going to be adding some chopped onions, giving that a good stir. Now some scotch bonnet for some heat. Stir that up. Now I'll be adding my carrots, some bell peppers, and now it's time to add our chicken. Pour that in, stir that up. Once it has fried a bit, now add your slurry. So you just pour that to the quantity that you would like. Give that a good stir. And then taste. If it's okay, then you add some water. If it's not enough, then you add more of the slurry into it. And cover and allow to simmer. Then you stir that up. And fam, your chicken gravy is ready. Can you see how easy this dish is to make? It's sweet, it's spicy, it is just amazing. Oh, I had mine with rice and a bit of steamed veggies. So thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time.